What's up mga kasabado? It's Monday and it's Math Day. So, I'm Teacher MJ. I will be your hashtag Mathalino for today. So, I will discuss the operations of integers kasi it is the most forgotten and the most confusing concept in math. Okay, let's start with addition of integers. So in addition, we have two cases. The first case, adding numbers that have the same sign. All we have to do is to add their absolute values, then copy the sign of the both numbers. Let's say positive plus positive will give us an answer of positive. For example, positive 6 plus positive 2 is equal to positive 8. Just add the absolute value. 6 plus 2 is 8. And what is the sign of the both numbers? It's positive. So, positive 8. Another example, positive 10 plus positive 7. So, 10 plus 7 is 17 or positive 17. Or as simple as 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Same thing if both numbers have negative signs. So, negative plus negative will give us an answer of negative. For example, negative 6 plus negative 2, add their absolute value. 6 plus 2 is 8. And what is the sign of the both numbers? It's negative. So, the answer is negative 8. Next, negative 10 plus negative 7. 10 plus 7 is 17. Sign of the both numbers negative. So, negative 17. Okay, last example, negative 7 plus negative 2. 7 plus 2, it's 9. Sign of the both numbers negative. So, the answer is negative 9. So, always remember that adding numbers that have the same sign, add lang natin yung dalawang number, then let's copy the sign of the both numbers. So, as simple as that. Now, for case number 2, adding numbers that have different signs. It's either positive plus negative or negative plus positive. So, this is how we are going to solve it. Subtract the smaller absolute value from the greater absolute value, and the sum must have the sign of the greater absolute value, or as simple as this, greater value minus smaller value, then copy the sign of the greater value. For example, 6 plus negative 8, again, greater value minus the smaller value. 8 minus 6, it's 2. Ano yung sign ng malaking number? Negative. So, the answer is negative 2. Negative 6 plus 8, again, greater minus the smaller. 8 minus 6 is 2. Sign ng malaking number, positive. So, the answer is positive 2. Another example, 10 plus negative 9. 10 minus 9 is positive 1. Kasi the highest number is 10, and the sign of the 10 is positive. Next, negative 10 plus 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Sign ng malaking number, negative. So, in this case naman, sa case number 2, when we add numbers that have different signs, we subtract the smaller value from the greater value. Then, just copy the sign of the greater value. So, let's proceed with subtraction of integers. In this case, we have to apply the rules in addition of integers by changing first the subtraction symbol to an addition symbol and change the sign of the subtrahend. Let's say positive minus negative, it will become positive plus positive, or negative minus positive, it will become negative plus negative. Now, in this case, magpo-fall tayo sa case number 1 of addition. Adding numbers that have the same sign. For instance, such as positive 6 minus negative 8. Change the operation and change the sign of the subtrahend. Positive 6 plus positive 8. So, this will become, the answer is positive 14. Next, positive 6 minus negative 3. Okay, magiging 6 plus positive 3. So, the answer is positive 9. Another example, negative 9 minus positive 2. is equal to negative 9 plus negative 2. So we add numbers that have the same sign, which is negative. So 9 plus 2 is 11, and copy the sign of the both numbers. It's negative. So the answer is negative 11. Last example, negative 7 minus positive 13. So same procedure, negative 7 plus negative 13. So the answer is negative 20. Another example, positive minus positive, it will become positive plus negative. And negative minus negative, it will become negative plus positive. So as you can see, we change the operation and the subtrahend. So in this case, we can now apply the case number 2 of addition, wherein we add numbers that have different signs. So I'll give an example. 16 minus positive 3. Let's change. It will become 16 plus negative 3. Ano ang nasa case 2? Subtract the smaller value from the greater value. 16 minus 3. So 13. What is the sign of the greater value? It's positive. So the answer is positive 13. Positive 23 minus positive 31. Let's change. 23 plus negative 31. So the answer is negative 8. Next, negative 23 minus negative 12. So change the operation and change the sign of the subtrahend. So this will become negative 23 plus positive 12. So the answer is negative 11. Next, negative 34 minus negative 50. So let's change negative 34 minus negative 34 minus negative 50. Okay, let's change. So become negative 34 plus positive 50. So the answer is positive 16, because 50 minus 34 is 16, and the sign of the greater number is positive. Okay, so that's it. Madali lang yung subtraction kasi we just applied the cases from addition of integers. So now it's your turn.